onto into it. So, wait, do I still got it over here? Okay, I do. What's going on, fellas? Shout out to everyone in the chat. Listen. Bitcoin is boring as shit still, guys. Like, I feel like I'm gonna go insane with Bitcoin, guys. Like, there really is not anything to say. But like I said, at least we got Pepe. At least we got frickin' Pepe today, man. Holy shit. Let's go. I'm feeling it today. I'm feeling Pepe. No, if you go check out Pepe real quick. Let me turn off the music here. Even though I'm kind of vibing to the music right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of vibing to it. I'm kind of vibing to the music. Let me know if you want to keep on the music. We can keep on the music today, since there ain't really shit going on, you know? Today, guys, look at Pepe. Look at frickin' Pepe. I think we need a little quick pump song for Pepe. Breaking all-time highs. Shout out to all my frogs out there. I know a lot of people don't like the meme coins, but like I say, guys, don't be a hater, okay? Don't be a hater. Like I kind of say with XRP. I don't like XRP, but if it pumped, I would be so happy for everyone that had XRP. All right, so let's get the pump song rolling for Pepe. All right, and I think we have a new guest who is part of the Pepe fam. So let's have on our good friend who joined Pepe today.
I did. Look how many zeros Pepe has, guys. We're about to delete some zeros from Pepe. 2 zeros will be gone. Me, I bought some Pepe today. And you know who else did. You know exactly who else did. Who else did? It was me. I bought Pepe too. I literally bought it on the last hourly candle. I am bullish. I waited this whole time. I did not buy any. But now I FOMO'd. Strap up, guys. We are going to the moon, like Jordan says. Strap up. We are going to the moon. Get ready. Pepe, all-time high. All right, so we got the whole fam ready to go on Pepe. Let's get a quick pump song for Pepe, and then we'll come back over to Bitcoin, right? Even though there ain't shit going on for Bitcoin. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. Bass said, Kof C. Yeah, man, I keep seeing people hating, man. It's like, how you gonna hate, bro? You know, I was that guy before, and I said I was not gonna be that guy this time. Let's go, man. Let's go, Pepe. We have 40%. Come on, Pepe. Let's go, man. We're about to hit 20 right now. Holy shit. Thank God we got some Pepe. I will say this, guys. I will say this. The meme coins pumping makes me a little bit nervous for Bitcoin. I'm not going to lie. We'll go through that in a little bit, but yeah, we'll just say that. These meme coins pumping like crazy got me a little bit nervous for BTC coming up here very, very soon. But, you know, maybe it doesn't play out like it always does. You know what I mean? But here we go. We got Pepe 19863 on the Pepe. On the Pepe. On the frog. Let's get a little... Do I got the frog here? Can you guys hear the frog? Hold on. I'll make sure you guys can hear the frog. Because if you can't hear the frog... That is a little ridiculous in my opinion. Where is my frog? Where is the frog? It should be up here. Here we go. Frog. Yeah, you guys can hear the frog, man. Let's go. Let's freaking go, man. Might as well turn it into a Pepe stream at this point. Pepe go... True. The best part of it, of a brain-dead meme coin, is the hatred of it. True, man, and that's why it keeps going up. People hate it, so it keeps going up, because people keep trying to short it, man. And that's exactly why it keeps ripping to the upside. But here we go, man. Look at that. We just hit two, whatever you call it, 2 thousandths or millionths of a cent. Let's go, man. Anyways, there's other meme coins that are pumping too. Wojak went up big today. We had one of the ones that I'm in, Mong, went up big today. There's a ton of meme coins that are up big today. But obviously, we're going to focus on Pepe because that's what we got. So Pepe is pumping, guys. I'm going to put an alert here. If we get one big spike, I'm going to put an alert here for Pepe. So if we see it get one big spike, we will have the alert go off. So we're not just staring at Pepe, because I know everyone's not interested in Pepe, right? I know everyone... You know, not everyone's in Pepe, so like, why are we gonna focus on it? I'm gonna put in a little alert here. If we tag the hell, man, yeah. If we tag this alert right here, if we tag that, we'll come back over to Pepe, all right? But What's going on? So the big shit today, guys, is you know, Bitcoin obviously didn't do shit on price. We can see that, right? Let's keep it 100 here. I'm not gonna, you know, baffle you with some random indicator that's gonna change our minds on anything here. Quite frankly, there's not really anything different in the last couple of days. But you know, something's going around the little thing. Caleb said, yo, can you look at Jupiter for a brother? I got you, Caleb. Just because you said for a brother, man. Right? Now, if you said for a sister, I might get a little offended. Clint would call me a sister. Clint was like, yo, can you look at Pepe for your sister? That's what Clint would say. But if we look at what we got coming on in the market right now, man, what's this? We got banks going down again. And I will say this. I don't like meme coins pumping right now for Bitcoin's sake. Right? That's a totally different circumstance. But we got... banks going down again. So today, again, we had freaking... Why's Jerome in here, man? We had Pac West went down 50%, and Western Alliance went down 38%. And that was, I mean, there was multiple other ones that were down like 10 to 15%, getting absolutely crushed. Absolutely crushed as far as banks. So you saw stock market slide a little bit. You saw Bitcoin kind of just hold. But the last time we had these things going on, Bitcoin had a big move to the upside. We have not seen it yet, all right? We have not seen that move up yet after these banking dumps from the stocks. But, you know, will we see it eventually? Maybe we will. Maybe we will.
John, how are you going to tell me that banks going down is bullish? How are people going to buy? Where's the money going to come from if everyone's losing their money from banks, huh? Huh, jackass? Huh? How's it gonna happen? Tell me. Give me a heads up. Where's the money gonna come from? I know Pepe's up like 1,000 and 10,000%. Where'd that money gonna come from?
But yeah. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat real quick. Oh yeah, can you chase the Pepe price with LilyPad? Oh yeah, let's get the LilyPad going. Oh man, let's get the LilyPad going on the freaking price, shall we? Let's do this. Yeah, let's get a little LilyPad up here. Let's get a little LilyPad above that alert, shall we? Oh, yeah. There we go. Let's get a little LilyPad up there. We're going right to that LilyPad. You see that thing? You guys remember the LilyPad support that we had a couple days ago? This LilyPad is going to be resistance, but it's going to smash the LilyPad. It's not going to like this LilyPad. It's going to be a little frog that's like, you know, and just smashes the LilyPad, you know. Roy said, I did 43 profits on Jupiter. Nice, bro. Some of you guys said you killed it on Jupiter, man. Jupiter, I apparently it went off today. Some of you guys, if someone's asking for Jupiter and someone's like, I made 43% on Jupiter, that means it probably went freaking nuts today. You know what I mean? So like I said, Bitcoin right now, guys, it's not doing shit. I mean, let's keep it real. I mean, I'm not going to blind you with some random shit. Sometimes I watch like a YouTube video and it's just like this, oh, look at this. We got the top of this and this and this. It's whatever. Bitcoin, it's out of that range. Right, that annoying range, but it's kind of finding support on top of this previous range, right? So now, once again, what we need to see for Bitcoin is we're sitting at the 4-hour time frame. We're sitting right on top of those 30 and 50 EMAs right there. You can't really see them because we're this little box there, but those white EMAs coming in, we're sitting right on top of those 30 and 50 EMAs, which also happens to be this previous resistance. So this is a key support we want to hold here, right? Now, once again, I mean, we keep saying that, key support, but you can see what the price is doing, man. The price is getting tight. We're making lower highs for Bitcoin, and we're making higher lows for Bitcoin. So price, it's not like a symmetrical triangle or whatever, but price is getting tight, right? It's getting super, super juicy in this shit. And, you know, quite frankly, we like it tight on this channel, right? We like it tight because what happens when things are tight is... You know, they tend to get loose. They tend to get very loose. You know, that's not always good. You know, sometimes we like to keep it a little tight. You know, fortunately, you can't always do that. But, you know, right now, Bitcoin is getting a little tight, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Jordan, are you talking about me again on your stream? Are you talking? This is so wrong, actually. This is so wrong. Are you talking about me? Oh, you might be. Let's see. Tight. Interactive likes the tight. Charles said, thoughts on Radical? I don't know much about Radical, man. It sounds radical, though. You know, I don't know much about it, bro. If I don't know much about anything, I'll tell you. I don't know much about Radical, man. to be honest. But like I said, price is getting tight, right? Higher lows, lower highs, short-term time frames, whatever. This doesn't mean anything in the bigger time frames. Like if you're an investor, you really shouldn't even be looking at these short-term time frames. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't, man. But you know, ultimately, if we want to be bullish, we want to see Bitcoin get a close above this resistance line here, right? And then we can say, okay, we're breaking out, right? We don't FOMO above, but at least gives us indication. Oh, we're breaking trend. Let's freaking go, right? But right now, there really ain't anything going on in here. Let's keep it 100. And to be quite frank, you know, I'm going to remain relatively bullish on Bitcoin, especially with the banking shit going on. I'm going to remain bullish on Bitcoin unless it breaks the spider line. So these previous resistance points, and we can kind of, we're holding up support here. Until we see this break down here, I'm going to remain bullish because there really isn't any huge reason to be like uber super bearish as long as we're on top of this trend line, right? So we'll keep watching this, but really nothing really changed until we break below that, man. So let's get it. Zoom out and hope we get a MACD cross, said Rudy. Yeah, I mean the daily still looks the same, right? Daily stocks still pointing to the upside. We got the 3-day that's crossed to the upside. You know, yet on that close on the 3-day was very, very good last week, or yesterday. That close on the 3-day was very, very good. Get a nice buyback off support on this little spider line. So once again, you know, we'll kind of watch this, but you know, in the meantime, not as we always say, guys.
Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed, my friends. Nothing has changed. Interactive says smack the likes. Yeah, guys, if you could smack those likes, that would be fantastic. If we could somehow hit like, you know, 400 likes today. Let's hit 400 likes. Not that I'm not a big like shiller, you know. I don't really like shilling the likes a million times. But if we could hit 400, that would be, oh my god, that would be fantastic, man. Do it for the frogs, bro. Do it for the frogs. Shout out to my frogs out there. Green dot on the daily. Guess that's good. That is a good thing. That definitely is a good thing, man. But you know, the one thing I'm looking at, guys, as far as like Bitcoin is, we're above this support, and we also got the 3-day stock cross, right? And we looked at the past 6 times actually. Bitcoin's got this 3-day stock cross. We've actually we made a higher high for Bitcoin, right? Or at least a local high, back up higher than its previous high. So, you know, once again, we're kind of waiting this out, patience, right? There's going to be a lot of chatter, blah, 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 blah. The bears are going to be coming out the woodwork and whatnot, but I wouldn't get too overly concerned until Bitcoin breaks below this, right? Which right now would be like 27,600, right? As long as we're above there, whatever, man. There ain't too much going on. What's Pepe doing? Pepe, we're getting a red candle.
Everybody panic. We're going to 0.
We're getting a red candle. It's over. One red candle. One red candle, guys. It is over for Pepe. Over. The frogs are dead. Holy shit. Wojak right now is dead. He just went all in. What the flying F? You got... What could go wrong? I'll buy Pepe again. I just got stopped out on my short. I'm gonna go long here. Wojak. Bro, Wojak. I got a little long running on Wojak here too, man. Come on, Wojak. Let's go, bro. I love meme coin season though. The one thing I'll say about meme coin season though, guys, is typically that's not very good for Bitcoin in the media aftermath of when meme coin season is done. Maybe it's different this time. Like we keep saying, you know, this time's different. That's always the most dangerous thing to say. usually after you say this time is different, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, this time is different. It's always a dangerous thing to say. So like I said, we had Pepe going up. We have Wojak getting a nice little move up. But I guess what I'll say is there's going to be a lot of unrealized profits for Pepe. Oh, facts, Anderson. Facts. I mean, that's what we've been saying for quite a bit, right? You know, everyone. I posted this on Twitter earlier, man. Everyone keeps trying to call the top for Pepe. You know, like all that you have to be doing is longing Pepe, and you've made money. But everyone keeps trying to be the man and call the top, right? It's like, I said this before, like. Eventually, someone will be right and call the top. But it's like every single time Pepe finds a little red candle, all I hear is, "It's over. This is the top for Pepe here.
I'm gonna call it. I'm the freaking man, bro. I haven't made any money on this move up on Pepe, but this is it. I'm shorting it right here. All I've had to do was long it this whole time, but I'm gonna short it here. This is the top.
It's like, bro, you ain't getting any clout for calling the top on Pepe, bro. Like, okay, if you were in it the whole time and then you call the top, okay, that's different. But if you're just constantly like, this is the top, this is the top, this is the top, this is the top, like, you ain't getting any clout for that, man. No one gives a shit. Especially when you call it like 8 times. It's like, okay, eventually, yeah, there'll be a top. And it's probably going to be sometime soon. My take is, when does Pepe top? I know when Pepe tops, because it's going to be the same as when Doge topped and the same as when Shiba topped. When did Shiba top, guys? What was the exact day? What happened on crypto YouTube on the exact day that Shiba hit its high? Can someone put it in the chat? Okay, and I know you guys know. I know you guys know exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to these hot coins. What is the top signal, guys? We haven't seen it yet. We have not seen this yet on YouTube, man. Let me know. Short the bullish action. This is definitely the top. Could be. Who knows, man? Eventually it'll happen. But you know, it is what it is. This meme season overall a top signal for the whole market. Could be, man. Listen, it could be, but I'm gonna take it. See, everyone keeps saying that this is a top signal. Okay, we're gonna take advantage of it while it's happening. You know? Okay, cool. Maybe it's a top signal. All right. There's still opportunities though. We know what the top signal is. No, it's not sushi CEO fingered a horse. Okay, you didn't see this. You didn't see the sushi CEO with horse guy. Okay. Wow, you're the sushi CEO. That gets me kind of horny. I'm not gonna lie. I usually don't like dudes, but you know, just don't tell anyone. No one's watching us. Don't worry. No one's watching us. Here, come here. Come here. Yes. You can do whatever you want to do to me, girl. No one's watching us. Don't worry. Got him. I got him. He's going down. All right, but no, it's not sushi. It's not the sushi CEO. Okay, getting fingered by. It's not that. Okay, it's not that. The fudders are out. The Pepe fudders are out in full force, man. It's like the disbelief rally for Bitcoin all over again. It's like the whole way up. It's like, this is the top. This is the top. But anyways. Anyways, let's get on track here, because now we're totally off track. What is the top signal for Pepe? We know what it is, guys. Like, we've talked about this many times on my channel. We need to see George make a dedicated live stream only for Pepe. So we can't have, okay, Bitcoin this, Pepe this. No, once George makes a video or a live stream, okay, dedicated only to Pepe's pump, that is the top. And we have not seen a dedicated live stream only for Pepe yet, okay? So it's like a bat signal, okay? As soon as you see that thumbnail pop up on your home screen, okay, with George next to Pepe, you're out. You get out of that shit, because that is the ultimate retail top signal, man. You know, so make sure we're watching out for that, okay? Because oh my God. Yes, we can learn from the CEO sushi. We can learn some CEO sushi. We could. But as soon as you see that, man, you need to get out of the market and at least get out of Pepe. Once you see George make that dedicated Pepe video. And I think it's going to happen this weekend. My take is this. Here's my take. Pepe right now is probably around number like 40 to 50 on CoinMarketCap right now, I'm going to assume. It was like 55 earlier. I'm going to assume it's probably up to like number 40 or so now. That's just purely a guess. My take is Pepe gets in the top 20, okay? Bitcoin's not doing shit. So George makes a live stream about Pepe. Boom. That's at least the local top Pepe. Okay, doesn't mean it can't go up next year or whatever later on, but that will be the local top of Pepe, in my take. All right, and I'll be watching for that. very like the bat signal out from outer space, man. Anyways, we got Bitcoin still just chilling here, guys. But I want to kind of do my little Pepe update, man, and what we need to look out for Pepe. George too busy shilling his Lakers. Celtics Lakers finals would be nice, huh, Mike? That would be nice. I feel like that's pretty likely this year, honestly. Celtics Lakers finals. I feel like this is the year we see that, to be honest. But anyways, yeah. So Bitcoin's just chilling. The other thing is, guys, the stock market's getting a little bearish, right? So I was shocked when I saw this because, not to say shocked, I get it, right? And it's just constant sentiment, right? When prices go down, we get bearish. When prices go up, we get bullish. That is just the common retail sentiment, right? We'll talk about the DXY in a little bit, but today we're seeing the stock market futures come up a little bit. I'm not sold on that going into tomorrow with these bank things going on, but you got stock market futures going up a little bit. But if we look at this, and this is the sentiment for the stock market, right? And this is basically just taking a bunch of hedge funds and stuff like that and sort of taking their sentiment, right? If you look now, right, it wasn't so bad a couple weeks ago, but look at this now, man. You got 45% of people are bearish at the moment, right? And you got only 24% are bullish. Only 24% are bullish, right? And 31% are neutral. But you can see that the heavy shift over here into bearish this last update, which was yesterday, heavy shift into that bearish side. Okay, very, very, very heavy shift into that bearish side. Extremely heavy shift into that bearish side, if I do say so myself. But you can see the market is starting to get a little bit scared again. You're not seeing it in crypto because Bitcoin's holding up very, very well, actually, considering the stocks the last week, this week in general. Bitcoin's holding up very well, which I think it will continue to do. And I'll show you guys why. But man, I mean, the bearishness is coming back into the market. And to be quite fair, I get it in a certain way for a stock market. But we'll see how that kind of reacts. And we'll see if it drips into Bitcoin, man. We'll see if it does. But I have one more chart I want to talk about. Let's see. It's because of the interest rate, Goofy. It's because... Did someone just... You sound goofy, bro.
Rant alert.
Did someone just come at me and say it's... Did someone just come at me in the chat and say...
It's because of the interest rate, Goofy. That's why people are bearish. The interest rate.
Bro,
Rant alert.
you sound like Goofy. No one gives a shit about the interest rate. You sound like Goofy. Did you really just say that in the chat? Now you sound like Goofy, bro. We already knew it was going to be 25 basis points, you freaking goof. My God, man.
Stupid.
Oh my God. All right. I just lost 3 brain cells in about 5 seconds. Three brain cells are gone. And probably a year of my life is gone because of that comment. Hey, it is what it is, I guess. I've seen the GME on license plate. I've seen Wall Street Bets. I've seen Let's Effing Go Doge. I'd love to see Pepe or something. We lost another viewer. Come on. Yeah, you had to call him out sometimes, you know? Interest rate says the opposite. Anyways, why I think Bitcoin's holding up pretty well, and I'll continue to say this. Bitcoin versus the S&P chart we looked at the lows, and we said, okay, Bitcoin's probably likely to perform better than the S&P over the course of the next couple months. We said that down here. Ever since, that's been pretty freaking good. And if we look at where that is, and I don't see a lot of people who look at this chart, but it's very telling a lot of times where the S&P is struggling with Bitcoin doesn't do anything. A lot of times it's because of this, right? If you look at the BTC versus SPX, not the most fun chart to look at, but we're going to look at USD charts at the moment. Look at this, right? Look at where we are on this. So it's very different than the USD chart. We're basically above the May 2021 low right here. So this is the May 2021 low. And then this was the pre-Luna crash, right? And if you notice where we are now, right, we've actually came back up and reclaimed that. And we're holding that as support very, very nicely. You can see the weekly candle is pretty nice on this, showing that, you know, they're wanting to respect the support level. So to me, as long as like you can hold this support level, I think Bitcoin's going to continue to outpace the S&P. And, you know, typically when Bitcoin outpaces the S&P, that means the market's at least doing pretty decent, right? That means it's not crashing. But, you know, I like where we are on this, right? And you can argue we're back into this big range and, you know, this is ready to move up higher. We'll see. I could be wrong on this, but I like where this is right now, right? And it does look like to me this wants to come up and test higher levels. But like I said, very unlikely that the stock market dumps and Bitcoin goes up. That almost never happens. That very rarely, like almost never. So we'll see what happens with this chart. But this one's kind of interesting in my opinion. And I want to show you it, right? Since there's not too much to talk about today, really, man. What we got going on? What's Pepe up to? Pepe getting a little rejection here. We got some bearish divergence on Pepe. 15-minute actually is fine. What's the hourly? Hourly probably has a little bit here. Hourly, actually the hourly doesn't have any bearish divergence. The 4 hour's got some hefty bearish div, but like the thing about this is like I had bearish divergence the whole way up for Pepe, and now you're kind of, I mean, you still have lower highs in the RSI, higher highs in price, but like as we know with crypto, sometimes these things can just continue up like crazy, right? So we'll see what happens with Pepe. I would assume that somewhere soon, and I could be totally wrong. I mean, Pepe could just go to the freaking moon, right? But at some point here, you probably see a slight correction just because you do have that bearish div on the 4 hour here. But what do I know, man? I'm not shorting Pepe. Like, you guys can have fun shorting Pepe, man. That's like trying to catch a falling knife to the upside and just getting stabbed, you know?
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Check out Pepo. Pepo? What's Pepo, bro? I assure you there were worse things in Goof. There were the worse things in Goof. That is definitely true. I'm in Pepe for the tech, bro. Me too, Anderson. I am totally in Pepe for the tech. Do I still have that meme on here? Do I still got that meme on here? We are in it for the tech. We're all in it for the tech. Oh, well, I don't got that meme anymore, unfortunately. But I'll tell you right now. What's this? Oh, this is a nice meme. I found this meme the other day. Look at him eating the chicken tenders. Look at the bull eating the chicken tenders and the bear back here crying saying, I love my job. Look at him. He looks very, very upset right now. And the bull just enjoying his glass of wine. That's how the meme coiners are feeling right now, right? This is the meme coin hater.
Oh, you invest in meme coins, you're gonna get rugged, bro.
This is the bull just saying, sure, I'm going to get rugged. You know, we're all going to get rugged. But little do they know we're taking profits. Or I hope you're taking profits. I hope you guys are taking profits. But this is the meme coin hater at the moment.
You guys are all gonna get rugged. You better get your money out now.
Oh, man. That's basically just coping. Whenever I hear someone saying that, it's basically just coping. Because I used to do that too. So I understand. Anyways. Oh, by the way, someone posted this in the Discord. Doesn't this lady look like Horse Guy? I don't know who this is. But someone posted in the Discord and said, is this Horse Guy's sister? I can't unsee Horse Guy now. I cannot unsee Horse Guy. Can someone please, let's look at Horse Guy real quick. Okay? I can't unsee it now. Hey! Hey, my name is Horse Guy. That is my sister. That is Horse Girl. We like to do things together, you know, like we like to play, we like to eat hay, you know, we like to gallop, we like to gallop a lot, you know, that's what horses do, we gallop, and, you know, she doesn't FOMO, that's why she's successful, and I am not. I live in my mom's basement, so I am not very successful. You know, she is, someone said, Judge Bible said the mayor of somewhere. Yeah, man, Horse Guy's in the building. Let's see. Appreciate the reminder to take profits. Oh, you always do. Take anytime something moves up, you should be taking some profits, man. Especially on these bad boys. I can get it if you're in Bitcoin, you don't really want to take any profits, right? But if you're in Pepe, just know that these things can be very volatile, right? Like even over here, Pepe dropped 47% right here, right? Obviously now it's higher, right? But at any point, these things can freaking correct, right? So you just don't know with these, right? You can do all the TA in the world. I saw a bunch of people on Twitter trying to call the top here, calling the top here. And yeah, like I said, you can be the best TAer in the world. You can literally look at the stars and be able to look for a 618 Fibonacci in the stars. Good luck timing the Pepe top, right? It's just going to do whatever it wants to do. Come on, lily pad. Like, when are we going to hit this lily pad, man? Let's see. Let's see. Man, look at Bitcoin, bro. There's just no liquidity in this market right now. And like I said, it's not like Bitcoin's dumping where it's just brutal. It's just, bro, it's like, oh my God, man. Like, what do you talk about without just making shit up? Like, I'm just keeping it real with you guys. You know what I mean? Like, what do you even talk about with just making shit up? I guess, we've been going sideways for 48 days. We looked at this last time over here from this consolidation over here. This was 48 days. And then Bitcoin started to go back up to the upside, which I thought was pretty interesting. Didn't play out today, right? But I thought that was pretty interesting, man. Talk about people. They call the top and sell and buy back when it keeps going up. They call a top and sell and buy back when it keeps going up. Facts. that is very, very true. That is very, very true. Let's see. Bigton said, Jordan, if you have any Gala on Coinbase, you need to sell it as Coinbase is not giving you new V2 token. No, it's all good. I don't have Gala on Coinbase. So I'm all good. Appreciate the heads up, though, Bigton. Bigton always looking out for me, man. Mike said, it seems like people are selling their good altcoins to buy Pepe. Yeah. I mean, an interesting take. Wes actually said this in the chat earlier. When you see these shifts, I just got very orange. Holy shit. I just got very orange, By the way, when you see these shifts of like money, because like there's not really any new money coming in right now, in my opinion. It's mostly just people selling other shit to buy other shit, right? It's people selling altcoins to buy Pepe or selling Bitcoin to buy Pepe, or it's not really new peeps coming in right now. But the thing about that is eventually when Pepe hits a top and starts coming back down, that money from Pepe will flow into other shit, right? So, eventually it flows back. But you're definitely right. I mean, you can just tell. I mean, altcoins are just kind of slowly bleeding out as you just see meme coins go up, right? The only things up more than 5% today are meme coins on my watch list here. And there's like 10 of them. So, and everything else is just down 1-2%. That's right. So people are just slow bleeding into meme coins right now. And eventually that won't work. And right, eventually it'll go back. It's just a matter of when. I think we got a couple more days of this, in my opinion. I think you're going to see Pepe in the top 20. George make a video. It's done. That's my personal take. Let's see. F Pepe. Java has bought Pepe. Yeah, that is true. Clint said, Hoffs, did you do that with your chilies? Clinton hates chilies, man. What's wrong with chilies? I don't think there's anything necessarily wrong with chilies. There's nothing really wrong with chilies. Clint just hates chilies, man. Oh, Lord, guys. It's just this market right now, man. I like it because I can have fun with these coins, right? So I personally like this. Like, so it's kind of nice, right? But at the same point, like eventually you just kind of want Bitcoin to do something, right? And it really comes down right now. Bitcoin, we need to break this downtrend here, man. We need to do it. I think we're going to test it. I do think, I don't think we're just going to dump straight down here if we do dump. I do think Bitcoin's going to rise up and test this. Like 29,200 level again. Just a matter of will we break it, man. Can we break this to the upside? Will we get rejected again from this thing? Time will tell. Time will tell, right? It should be interesting. It really, really, really should. It's a tough market to call right now, man. This is a really tough market to call right now, right? I'll continue to say this. Like the short term is very. I say the short term is very unpredictable right now. Like I could see this going either way first. Like I could see Bitcoin dumping and then coming back up. I can see Bitcoin pumping and then dumping. I can see Bitcoin just pumping. The only thing I don't really see, and this is just my personal opinion based on what I've seen Bitcoin do in the past and based on where we are, the only thing I don't really see is Bitcoin dumping below like 24K and staying there. If it does do that, I think it'll be very quick and get bought back up. Just based off where we are in the cycle, right? But in the short term here, man, I could see anything happening, man. It's just very unpredictable right now. I will definitely say that. Let's see. New bottom for Pepe is 1,900. Tino bought 100K worth of Pepe today. You didn't buy Bitcoin at the bottom, and he buys Pepe when it's at all-time highs? You can't make this shit up, man. You can't make this shit up, man. Oh, Lord. We tell people to sell Bitcoin at the bottom, and then we buy Pepe at all-time highs. Well, all we can do is clap, man. All we can do is clap. All we can do is clap, man. I don't know if that was true, but I'm just going along with it. Sprite fan, still holding half my Pepe back. 274x. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Shout out to you, man. 279. Dude, stop saying Pepe. It's Peepo. Pepe. I'm saying Pepe, bro. Get over it. I'm waiting to buy Pepe when it retraces 90%. When it retraces 90%. I mean, you could. I mean, we just did get a 50% pullback. So it's not like we haven't got a pullback. Because the other thing people will say is, oh, I'm going to wait for a pullback. Which is fine. I mean, you can wait for a pullback. We just did get one, though. Like, we just had a 50% move down. You know? So it's not like one of these, oh, Pepe needs a pullback. Not really. Doesn't really need a pullback, you know? Doesn't mean it can't. But it doesn't need a pullback, I guess is the best way to put it. What's your top 3 alts at the moment? Alts, I'm not a big alt guy right now, man. I'm going to be perfectly honest. I don't see, and this is just my opinion. Don't get all pissed off at me, right? I don't see where alts go nuts right now. Other than memes, I don't see where like Uniswap does a 5x right now, or you know, Solana does a 5x, or ADA does a 5x. I just don't see that in the market right now. So altcoins are kind of like My top altcoins going into the next run. I don't consider Ethereum an altcoin. If you do, Ethereum's number one easily, man. And most of my portfolio is in Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? But other than that, right? I like the newer coins, man. So I like Optimism. I like Arbitrum. What else do we kind of go with here, man? Blur's interesting one. It's very volatile. That one's very volatile. You got to be careful with that one. But yeah, man, it is what it is. I hold Litecoin for the Litecoin halving this year. I'll probably sell that back into Bitcoin. You know, but I'll probably sell Litecoin back into Bitcoin after the halving, which I think is in 2 months, 3 months now. Probably sell that back into Bitcoin when that's over. Stacks, I like Stacks. Stacks is volatile as well. Chainlink, I'm always a big Chainlink guy. I'll always be a big Chainlink guy. It's not the most fun one, but it's consistent, and you kind of know what you're getting there. Yeah. Other than that, man, like I will look. I guess my take is I think right now, like those are the ones I'll be accumulating throughout this year on bigger drops. But really, altcoins, you know, we've kind of talked about this. Altcoins, like, you know, I know everyone like doesn't like to hear this, but it's true. And you know, sometimes I even forget this and I get carried away sometimes. Altcoins don't really move until Bitcoin gets close to all-time highs. And I know that's going to make you click away from the video and you're going to go watch someone that's going to say altcoin season tomorrow, right? Altcoin season any day now, right? And that's fine. There's plenty of people that'll give you the hopium for the altcoins, man. You know, I right this second, I just can't see where, like, okay, maybe you get a decent move, right? At some point, I just can't see where you're going to see that move that everyone wants, which is your altcoin to pump 5x or more. You know, I don't think that comes until at least next year. But, you know, like I said, Optimism, Arbitrum, and Ethereum are the two ones that I'm really going into throughout this year, you know. Let's see. 100% and 100x are not the same thing. That is true. That definitely is true. Jordan likes XRP at $3. That is true, man. 2017, I totally bought the XRP top. And that's why I'm a little salty at XRP. But I did say, if XRP, all right, if XRP is, where's XRP? If I can get XRP, where is it? Where's XRP? Shit, man. Let me sort by, let me sort here. If I can get XRP back at this trend line coming up, so if XRP can retrace back over here, right, by the end of this year, which I think is possible, right? If it can come back down into this level down here, I will consider picking up some XRP, because the longer time goes on, the more likely something will happen with this, right? So if nothing happens by the end of this year, XRP is kind of chilling maybe around like 34, like in like the 40-cent range in here, and nothing's happened, I might pick up some XRP just for the hell of it, man. If that's the case, for sure. You know, just because, like I said, the longer the time goes by, the more likely something will happen with XRP. And I know that's been the famous last words, because it seems like every month it's like, oh, XRP case will be settled, XRP case will be settled, and it just never is, you know? But I think something will come down the line soon with this. By soon, probably within the next year. If that's not soon, well, I don't know. But probably that, man. When everyone becomes a Bitcoin maxi, that's when you buy altcoins. Facts, Teju. That's why I'm not a Bitcoin maxi. But I do hold, you know, a good amount of Bitcoin, percentage-wise, in my portfolio. You know, but that's why I'm never a Bitcoin maxi, though, because that is definitely true. That is a true statement, man. Whenever it comes to Bitcoin maxi, that's when you go into altcoins. But I don't think everyone's a Bitcoin maxi yet. I still see more hype over altcoins than Bitcoin, right? I still see that personally. So I don't think we're quite at that point yet. It's when everyone's like, screw my altcoins. I'm selling all my altcoins and I'm going into Bitcoin. That's when you get into altcoins. And that was exactly this time period here, right? Let me get rid of the Gaussian channel here. I don't know why. The Gaussian channel turns everything a different color. It's weird. But that was this time period right here, right? Bitcoin was riding up to the upside, pushing 30K, 40K. Altcoins weren't doing shit in this region, right? Bitcoin was ripping to the upside. It did like a 5x, right? And altcoins just weren't doing shit, man. And I was in the market back then. People were very frustrated. Why aren't altcoins moving? Why aren't altcoins moving? I was making videos back here, right? And you know, I was making altcoin videos and things like that, and there was frustration in the comments section. Oh, altcoins will never move, right? And as soon as everyone was like, altcoins will never move, you know, and then you get altcoin season when Bitcoin's up here, right? Something probably similar happens, right? I won't be surprised if, like, and this is my case, like, I won't be surprised if Bitcoin gets a move up here this year, which is my base case, right? Gets a move up into here. You might see altcoins do a little bit of action up here, and then it pulls back. Altcoins go back down again, right? And then obviously the halving, and then altcoins go off again. I mean, it's, you know, this is kind of the way I'm looking at it right now, you know? When I sell all my Pepe, but also, like, I'm not a Bitcoin maxi at all. because I will ride the trends. Like right now, dude, the meme coins are hot as shit. So as long as those are hot, I will ride that trend until it's not, right? It's all about getting on that narrative, man. Look at that. Look at those weekly candles. Look at that leaf. We're getting close to that leaf, man. We're getting very, very close to that leaf. Man, can we get up and hit that leaf? I think we might want to hit that leaf. How's Waj doing? How's my little Wojak? Come on, Wojak. Yeah, I see that little cup and handle. I see that little cup and handle, Wojak. I know you want to get a little move up to the upside, Wojak. Don't even be lying to yourself. Don't even be lying to yourself, Wojak. I know you want to go back up. This is the market right now, man. Nothing's moving besides these things. Come on, Wojak. I will not move for you, Jordan. I will tease you until the stream's over, and then I will pump. All right? So don't even try to tell me. I will pump after the stream. All right? Now, in the meantime, I have to go get wrecked by Bog. All right? Yes. Wojak just told Jordan that Wojak will not pump until Jordan's stream is over. So pump it now. Hopefully we can get a little pump on Wojak. Oh, man. Feed said, when meme coin season ends, when? I wouldn't be opposed to going back to Bitcoin season, to be honest. You know? Oh, shit. I still got Wog's lips. Guys, what would you do if I got plastic surgery with these lips and I came back on here one day just like this, right? What would you do if I came back with plastic surgery like this on my lips? What would you do? Just let me know. Let me know. He still has the lips. Would you guys judge me? Would you guys just never watch me again? I don't know what you guys would do, to be honest. What's Bitcoin still chilling, man? Bitcoin not really doing anything crazy in here, guys. We're getting a nice reset in some indicators, right? We got the hourly stocks that are now bottomed out. We got the 15 minutes. Actually, like the hourly. The hourly looks like it wants to get a rise up. I really do think we're gonna get a test to like 29,300 again. It's just gonna be, can we break it, right? But I do think even if we're gonna dump, we'll see a rise up first, because you've got some candles up in here. It would just make sense to get up here, right? Form a little double top and then come back down if we're gonna dump, But I do think we're gonna see something like this, right? A test up here. At some point, probably overnight tonight. I would not be surprised. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But at the same point, it just kind of makes sense in there. But that is that, man. Come on, Pepe. Come up to that leaf. And shave. I date you, said Sam. Okay, interesting. I am taken, so I will not be interested in that. And if you date me with those lips, I am judging you. I am judging you hardcore if you are doing that. With those lips, you'd be our source for pumps and dumps. That's so true, man. You don't even need Bog. I'd just be calling up. Yo. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Listen, everyone's bored right now on my stream. Can we just get a little pump? Listen, I know you're trying to build up your longs and you're trying to accumulate at these prices before the next leg up to the upside. But listen, my stream is super boring. And everyone is super, super bored in crypto right now. Can you just give them a little bit of excitement? Can we just pump it to like 30K and then maybe we can pull it back a little bit after that? Oh, thank you so much, Market Maker. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. All right, yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. All right, should be about 20 minutes, guys, and 20 minutes until a massive pump comes through. The government would label you as a, oh God. I don't think I could say that word on YouTube. I think that word is actually, you get shadow banned if you say that word, Wayne. We're not going to say that. We're not going to say that. A few minutes till new day. Yeah, we got 8 minutes into the daily close up in here. So 8 minutes until the daily close. And Bitcoin's just at 28.8, man. This level here is pretty, the daily close highs are a pretty important level. So, staying above 28.5 is pretty good too. So we're still above there. And really ain't anything else, guys. How's stocks doing? Stock market futures still coming up pretty big here. We got the NASDAQ up 0.4%, ES up 0.35%. Makes sense. They've had a tough week. And the DXY, which is still the question of the hour. Like, this is going to tell us Bitcoin's next move. Still flirt with that support. still, it was up today. It wasn't up big. I think it was up like what? It was up, 0.25% today. Now it's down 0.11 after hours. But still, I mean, this is going to be the thing that is going to tell us here, guys. Like, is the dollar going to break the support? If it does, we'll see 99, right? And Bitcoin probably gets another leg up to the upside. If not, we're coming up to this golden pocket, and Bitcoin's probably going to, if not dump, just go sideways still, right? But most likely would get a pullback in that case. So, man, what the hell is the dollar just chilling down here for, man? It's almost like it's like waiting for like some type of black, not to get super doomy, but it's almost like the dollar's sitting here knowing that some news is going to come out to push it back up to the upside. Does anyone have that feeling? I just, and this might be the doomer in me. Like I said, I am bullish on Bitcoin, but I don't know. I have this weird feeling like, because why else would the dollar just be sitting here, right? And I'll tell you right now, if there is news that comes out in the next 2 weeks that is super bullish for the dollar, and it pumps up here in the next 2 weeks or so, this shit is rigged, man. The world is literally a simulation if that's the case. Because why else would it just be sitting here if there wasn't something getting prepared to bring it back up? I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see with this. This is another one. It's tough to call, bro. It's really, really tough to call. But it's almost like it's sitting here for a move back up. If I had to put percentages on this, I'd probably say there's like a 60% chance this actually moves up to the upside. But obviously, we'll see. We shall see. Let's see. With those blue lips, you get a do you guys like my Pepe in the beginning? Let's go see him again. Hold up. Let's go see him one more time. Hold up. No sound? What do you mean no sound? No sound, my ass. What do you mean no sound? You guys are funny, man. It reminds me of Clint. Someone said reminds me of Clint. Nah, Clint's, listen, that guy's too pretty for Clint, all right? We all know Clint. He looks like, that guy's too good looking for Clint, all right? Clint looks like Pal. Clint's like,
You want to arm wrestle me? I'll arm wrestle you.
all right, let's take off the music. We're getting too carried away with the music in here. Dun, dun, dun. No sounds at the beginning. Chat always lags behind a bit. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I had to turn on the sound. I should have got Pepe over on this one, man. So we can have just Pepe playing the guitar in the background. Should we do it? All right, let's do it. Let me just grab Pepe real quick. He's kind of cute. Let's just paste him in here. Is he gonna show up? Let's see if he shows up. Come on, show up, man. Hey! There he is. Can I get him? Can I grab him? Yeah, there we go. Let's just put him like right over here for today. I feel like he's going to give us good luck, guys. There we go. Yeah, let's just put him right over here. There we go. Yeah. Let me just make sure he's on a loop. There we go. Okay, he's good. He's good. There, he's good. He's good. He's good over there. He's good. Yeah, let's just put him over there, man. Look at him over there. He's going to give us good luck. It's the Pepe corner. Someone say, what the hell is that? It's a frog, man. Did you see the legs? Come on, I made this myself. It's our own little Pepe. He's playing the guitar over there. Pepe's corner. It is Pepe's corner, man. Pepe Binance listing waiting room. Hopefully that'd be cool. How do people in the United States buy Pepe? I mean, you know what to do. You buy. There's exchanges that have Pepe. There's exchanges that have Pepe. MEXC has Pepe. That's all I'll say. Let's see. Your lad's gonna get banned. He doesn't have pants. Is that actually true? I guess we can kind of hide his legs. Yeah, we'll just do that. There we go. We'll just put him down there. I'll just put him down there without the pants. Stream's gonna get banned. He doesn't have pants. YouTube would probably say that too. They probably would ban me for the frog not having pants. That is absolutely facts. You're not even kidding too. That's the sad part. All right, what else we got, man? What else do you guys say in the chat today? Social said, what's your top 3 alts? We did that for social. Appreciate the super chat, man. Sprite fan said, still holding half my Pepe bag. Let's freaking go, man. Let's freaking go. Let's get the frog in here. Frico said we can learn from the CEO. Caleb said, can we check out Jupiter? Oh, I gotta check out Jupiter for Caleb. My bad, Caleb. I hope you're still in here, man. Let's do Jupiter, bro. Oh, shit. That's not the right Jupiter. That ain't the right Jupiter. Let's go look on Coinbase, shall we? All right. So you got a nice pump today. All right. So, yeah, I mean, this one it's still up 20%. You were up 33%. Dude, I will say this. If this is a hodl bag, let's freaking go, right? If this is a hodl bag, you probably don't care. If this is a trade, I probably would take some profits on this, man. Just because, like I said, altcoins not showing too much strength right now. I know this one pumped today. Makes sense though. You came back to a previous support level, right? Right after those previous support from April 7th, you got a nice little bounce from there. Awesome. You did break trend. So, and you're actually bouncing up the 50 EMA here. So if this was a trade, I mean, that was like a 20% move, even still, right? So you're killing it at this point. Love the sounds frogs make at nighttime. Dude, it's so peaceful, man. There's nothing better than sitting, like being next to a pond or some shit and just hearing frogs going. It is so peaceful. It is like majestic when you hear those frogs. But yeah, I mean, right now you did break this trend. Now you're getting a back test. So now the key is the continuation. And if we go to the daily, I bet you have some good stuff going on. Yeah, look at the daily. Daily's finally breaking out of that, or breaking back into, so breaking out on the daily downtrend. Stock RSI is breaking back up into that mid band there, which is usually a good sign for a move. But like I said, with any of these, you either need Bitcoin to go sideways or, obviously go up too would be nice. But Jupiter, that's a nice back test, man. Like all these previous highs, just perfectly back testing that level in the daily. In my opinion, you probably end up doing this, right? And kind of just maybe back testing again, right? Until Bitcoin makes some bigger move, right? You probably end up just staying in here, because you only have one low, right? So we look for that second low, and then we get the move up, right? But you broke the trend, which is good. So now you're looking for the bigger back test in the daily eventually, and then the higher move up. But that one doesn't look too bad, man. As long as you stay above, like 8, this 8.8 tenths of a cent level, it's all good. It's all good for Jupiter, man. All good for Jupiter. Mad World. Gary Gore with 10 memberships. Holy guacamole. We need to get our good friend up now here again. 10 members. You are absolutely crazy, man. We got to get this rolling again. Let's freaking go. Ten of them. He's a Chad. For the daily close for Bitcoin, we got 28,878. Pretty much a nothing burger today. If we even call it nothing burger. It was more like a nothing French fry. Hey! Shout out to Gary Gordon, though. What do we got for Pepe? Come on, Pepe. You know you're not stopping right here, man. Let's freaking go, man. BGC needs to get me 40K in a month. Gary Gordon, you're the absolute homie, though. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate everyone that's chilling here, man. Like I said, these times are super, super boring for most things besides meme coins. If you don't like meme coins and you guys are still here, you guys are absolute studs. Seriously. Appreciate you guys for being here. And then, and listening to us memers, be kind of annoying. It is what it is. Let's see. Now I can buy $5 worth of Pepe. Let's go, Chewy. I love when Chewy wins. Who won? We got Chewy who won. We got Clem Station who won. Your mom won again. We got Mike said, I think I'm on some kind of ban list. I never win. Look, Wayne wins. Wayne wins, the guy that owns like thousands of Bitcoin. Well, Mike, you're already a member. That's why. If you're already a member, you can't win the membership, right? Come on, Mike. You're a smart guy.
Stupid.
Come on, Mike. You're way smarter than that, man. Anthony B said, gift the memberships be overlapped. No. I guess that's just kind of what I'm saying now. You should be able to do that. You should just go in the backdrop and get like a free month. I personally think that's how it should work. Fortunately, that's not how it works. Who else won? Who else won in here? Who else won? Doesn't really oh, wait. Why does it not tell me who won? Oh, here we go. Chewy, Nye Freak, interesting. Scorpion, Robert Brunick, Adele, Daniel, Mad World. Where's the other ones? There was more. There was more. Okay, there's only 5. Interesting. Okay, never mind. It only shows me 5. But hey, shout out to you guys though. Shout out to you guys. Dominic said I never win. Dominic, man, you win more if you were in the chat all the time. This is all I know about this. If you're in the chat all the time, okay, and chatting, you have a higher chance of winning the membership, right? So basically how it is, the more you interact with the stream, I don't like shilling likes and shit like that. I'll do it like once per stream. I don't like doing that, man. It's so cheesy. But like the more you like the stream, the more you interact.
There's zero cash left to pump BTC to 30K.
I think you have to be subscribed, number one. You have to be typing in the chat pretty frequently. And then you have to be liking the streams. If you're doing those, you probably have a high chance of winning the membership. Blackworm said, are you a memer? I'm a memer when it's a good time to be a memer. I'll say that, all right? I ride the waves. I ride the narratives, man. So whatever the next narrative is, I'll jump on that too. You got to ride the narratives in crypto, especially in these times. Like in the bull market, you can be in anything. It's going to pump, man. But in these times, you need to ride the narratives, man. The narratives are going to change every 2 days. Not every 2 days. Like every month is a new narrative, right? Right now it's meme season. Probably next month it'll be like freaking DeFi season or some shit. I don't know. But, before that it was L2s, right? Optimism, Arbitrum, those ones were going nuts. What's going to be next month? I have no freaking clue. It'll be something fun. I know that. I don't know what it's going to be. Oh my God, Bitcoin? What's Bitcoin doing? 28,865. You scared me a minute. I thought Bitcoin actually moved. I was like, holy shit. What do I got over here? What's this? Oh, that's Horse Guy. That's Horse Girl. That's Horse Girl. What's the fear and greed index, by the way? Let's go check this out. So we were at greed yesterday, probably because meme coins are pumping. We were at 61. All right, so we dropped today. We actually dropped on the greed today. Makes sense. People are getting a little bearish because of stock market and stuff. We also have meme coins going up, which also makes you kind of greedy. It's not like that greed that's like, oh my god, the market's super greedy. It's like a 61 to me is like neutral, more neutral in my opinion, but I guess they don't really consider it that. But yeah, I guess you're at greed 61. Nothing crazy, right? You're not seeing like the top, the absolute top signals, like when you get up to like an 80 or a 90 and people are just throwing money at everything. You're not seeing that right now, right? It's more 60 is neutral, man. It's neutral, Oh, Wayne, bruh. Holy shit. Wayne's coming in. Wayne is coming in super hot. Holy shit. Wayne coming in with 10 memberships. What is going on? You guys are crazy today. We got to play another song now. Sorry, guys. We got to play another song. What song should we play now? Let's play this one. This one's kind of nice. I don't even know what this one is, actually. What's this one? This is a good one for the frog, I think. Yeah, the frog. See, his hand kind of goes to the beat. I like this one for the frog. Hey, Wayne, coming in hot. Who we got winning now? Trevor won. We got FOMO Sapien. We got Maverick. We got Teal. We got Bullish Bear. The Bullish Bear, I like that. The Bullish Bear. You should actually be a bearish bull. I think that makes more sense. JH. Shout out to JH. Dominic. Psycho Pearl winning again. Psycho Pearl always wins. That's all we got there, man. Shout out to everyone who won. Let's go. We need a rapping Bob right now? Should we have a rap battle? Bob versus Pepe? Let's do it. Let's have a rap battle.
Jordan, turn this shit off. This music sucks. Let's get some real music in here. Come on. Come on, Pepe. You're nothing. Come on, bro.
Look at me, take a picture, it'll last long.
You're a pussy frog.
And yo, the mirror don't lie.
You're green.
And yo, the mirror don't lie. Look at me, take a picture, it'll last longer. The mirror on the wall say I'm getting stronger. And yo, the mirror don't lie. If you want the truth, don't close your eyes. We got our back against the wall, we gotta fight back.
Who you think you are? You ain't me.
I ain't got no cape or no superpowers. Just confidence and self-esteem, the world is ours. I believed in me when nobody did.
I gotta go out
This
in my
ain't no
pocket.
freestyle, just some facts that's written. Come on, let's hear it for the boy. He bringing pain at the same time, joy. I bob and weave through the crowd, so untouchable. At first they hate, then they loving you.
Suckers.
It's a crazy cycle, but I'm going through it. I wish I was lying, that's why I show and prove it. I'm destined to be one of the best to do
Alright,
it.
that's enough.
I ain't saying I'm the GOAT, but I'm close.
That's enough.
I should get
Pepe doesn't look very happy right now. We need Pepe to pump. we need Pepe to pump. We don't want him to be pissed. Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
No, we need Pepe to be pumped, guys. We don't want Pepe pissed off right now. Or maybe we do. We make Pepe pissed, then he might pump. So I guess we'll see. Suckers. Oh, Lord. Check out Crone Chakra. He makes fire crypto raps. Yeah, I've actually watched him. But he makes the one that's like scam money, don't make no money. He makes those ones. Those ones are actually really, really nice. Those ones are really, really good. I could actually listen to those and like sometimes if I'm feeling kind of degen, right? If I want to put a Wojak Long in, I'll play scam money, don't make no money. All right, so Pepe is trying to come back up here. So we'll see what happens there. Jupiter is the dormant, sleeping meme coin of our dreams. Is Jupiter actually a meme coin? I don't think it is. I could be wrong. But Caleb, no, Jupiter actually looked really good, man. Shout out to you, bro. Jupiter looked really good on that daily. We just need Bitcoin to do something, man. Like, fortunately, the altcoins won't get big moves up until Bitcoin kind of wakes up from its sleep, you know? Appreciate that, though, man. But, yeah, man, Pepe's trying to come back up. What's Bitcoin doing? I do think, in my personal opinion, I do think we're going to see Bitcoin get at least a test back to the highs again. By highs, I mean this downward sloping trend line. It wouldn't be that big of a move. We're talking like a 1.5% move up. I think we'll see a test to the highs. Will we break it? We'll see. I don't know, man. Like I said, right now, short term is tough to call. You know, and I'm not going to make a definitive call if I think it's kind of just a messy time. You know, it's very weird time. And I'll say this every day. Like, we got the dollar at support. We got, you know, stock markets at resistance. I actually like Bitcoin's chart though. Bitcoin versus the S&P looks bullish. It's a weird time in the market right now. You kind of just got to let it play out. You know, I don't have a good read here. So in the meantime, you know, we have some fun with the meme coins. You know, who the hell is coming in now? Clint? Oh, Crypto Shock. All I saw the seed. I thought it was Clint. Crypto Shock. He's coming. All right, we're gonna play it. Oh my lord, we're just going nuts over here. I guess we gotta play another song. Shout out to Crypto Shock. You guys are crazy today, man. All right, we'll play. We're gonna play Blue Barn Creek again. This song's so good. This song is so good. Crypto Shock. Let's go, man. Crypto Shock. Come on, Pepe. Show me some love. Come on, Pepe. I'm not supposed to clap. Clint's gonna get mad at me. Let's go, man. Crypto. We're gonna have everyone on the stream's gonna be green at this rate. That's crazy. Come on, Pepe. Come on, BTC. Right, guys. Have you heard anyone call Pepe Pepe? Pepe. Has anyone called Pepe Pepe? Pepe's pumping, you know. Pepe's pumping. Every day lately, I've been waking up in the Discord. And I just say my Pepe hurts, you know, which is not very good. You probably should get that checked out at the doctor if your Pepe hurts, you know. You know, like damn, man. All right, the corn's still chilling. We got the corn still chilling. What do we got on some of these meme coins? Mong's one that I aped into Mong here. Got a big spike up today. But yeah, Mong is another one that I kind of aped into here. Woj, come on, Wojak. Wojak, you think I'm dumb? You think I'm dumb, Wojak? You think I'm dumb? We can all see what you're doing here. Why we gotta delay the inevitable? You know what I mean? If you're gonna clap, at least clap to the goddamn white. At least clap to the freaking beat, right? Listen, I got some moves. There's some people who dance. You ever seen someone who dances and the beat's like, and they're like, they just completely don't dance to the beat and it's just completely off. It's funny. Bullish Bear said he has a big PP now, but it will go down soon. Oh Lord, that is so wrong, man. That is so wrong. That is wrong in so many ways. You know, that is very wrong in so many ways. Holy shit. Come on, Pepe. Like, oh my lord. Let's zoom in. Let's go to the 15 minute on Pepe, man. There we go. Drop the bear. Let's see. Can someone save Jordan's life? If he's got UTI, it could get bad. Oh, Lord. I think I'm good, man. I honestly think I'm good. I think I'm freaking good. You know? Wow, what coin is that? Anyone know? Is there a chocolate frosted donut coin? I want that. Let me go. There's nothing on Coin Market Cap and chocolate frosted donut coin. I'm out of chocolate frosted donuts too. Shit. Prices already on the floor. Oh, there's a few crumbs. There's a few crumbs on the floor. You're right. Man, look at Pepe. It's really pumping, but it's green. I only like chocolate stuff. I love chocolate. Chocolate's really, really good, and Pepe's green. Now we're gonna. I don't even know where I'm going with this. All right, come on. Here we go.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Oh, we got a little echo there. My bad, guys. All right, man. What is it, 8:19? Holy shit, we're having fun today, man. It's already 8:20. Holy shit. You just described Jordan clapping to the beat. What, me? Oh, shit. Thanks. I didn't allow gift. Oh yeah, you have to allow gift setting on too if you want to win. You got to allow the gift setting on. I think that'll be in your settings on YouTube. Oh, obviously, it'll be your settings on YouTube, but it's like in that top right corner with the little settings, with the little settings icon. You guys know what I mean by that. You guys know exactly what I mean. Come on, Corn. Corn. I know you're going to come back up to the upside at least a little bit. I know you are. Don't think you're fooling anyone out right now. I know you're going to come back up and test 29.3. I just know you are, Corn. But you know what you got to do is you got to sit there for hours and just make us bored until all of us get bored, and then you make the move. But I know what you're going to do, Corn, okay? I know what you're going to do. Dollar. Let's look at the dollar real quick. I want to zoom in on the dollar. I want to do a little zoom on this. It just looks like something that's dead. It looks like a dead altcoin in the bear market, just doing nothing. Yeah, that's pretty much what the dollar is. Ugh. Just stupid price action. It just sucks. Oh man, that is just some nasty price action in here. Man. I don't know what that dude. This is just some weird ass price, especially this today. Just some weird ass price action in here, man. You know, like look at this on the hourly. Like, what is this? Blah 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 blah. What is this thing? I don't know. Let's see with the dollar, man. I honestly, like, this is just this. You just gotta wait and see with the dollar, bro. You know, we really gotta see with that. All right, here comes Pepe. Pepe back at the highs, my friends. Should we go to the 5-minute chart? I think we should. I think we should go to the 5-minute chart. Here comes Pepe, guys. We're going to the lily pad. Why is the lily pad so small? Here we go. Make it big. Right. The lily pad is on its way for the Pepeers. Pepe is headed to 22,300. Feels good, man. Let's do a quick fib, right? What we can do on Pepe is we can actually pull. Let's pull our fibs, right? Let's pull our fibs. That's the least we can do. Let's actually take our fibs. Let's take the highs to the lows. Let's check out where our Fibonacci retracements are, or our Fibonacci extensions at this point. All right, we hit the lily pad, guys. Let's do the 4, 2, 3, 3, 6, 1, 8, 1, 6, 1, 8, 2, 6, 1, 8. Okay, so here's what we got. So you can see we came right up to that 1618 Fibonacci. We actually got that first rejection on that 1618 Fibonacci there, right? When we broke the highs, boom, came up here, got rejected. We just wicked up to the upside. If Pepe is to continue up, right? You got the 2618 fib. This is an alert. We can get rid of this alert. But we got the 2618. up here at 0.000002222. The power of the twos. It literally comes in at 2222222. That's the next one up there. But we are getting a little wick. I mean, it's a 5-minute chart, which we can see some wicks up in here, you know. Let's see. What exchanges are people moving after Bybit have mandatory validation? I have moved to MEXC, but who knows? I mean, I think right now you're gonna keep seeing exchanges require KYC, and that's the issue we're dealing with right now. So I think MEXC will eventually do that too. I think all these other ones will eventually do it. So I think eventually we're gonna have to start using decentralized exchanges, man. You're gonna start having to use your GMXs and your DYDXs and things like that, right? Eventually we're gonna have to do that. We're not gonna have a choice, right? Unless you just want to freaking buy, I don't know, use Robinhood, you know. But like if you want to trade like on leverage exchanges, you might. It's gonna get to the point at some point where we might have to use the decentralized exchanges, which would be interesting for sure. We're not at that point yet, but I think that's gonna be coming eventually. Something will tell me, man. Pepe is the official coin of Dork. Yeah. Is it the official coin of Dork? Still bullish on Solana? Said Shane. Taco is printing for right now. Yeah, I think Solana is a good one. I'll probably end up trying to get some Solana as we get closer to as Bitcoin gets closer to my targets. I'll probably think about picking up some Solana. I just don't have any. I'm not really in a rush to pick up any Solana right at this moment, but I do think, once again, Solana's another one of those where people shit on, right? And this and that, right? I had the bad fallout with FTX, so it fell a lot harder than everything else did. I will be interested in picking up some Solana, though. Just not right at this moment. I'm going to wait a little bit on that one. But Solana is definitely one I've been looking at, right? As we get closer to where I think, those bigger coins will move, right? Your ADAs, Solanas, AVAXs, right? Oh, your bigger L1s. I just don't think we're at that point yet, But like I said, if your goal is longer term, this is the year you want to be accumulating shit for next year. You just gotta wait, right? It's just a waiting game. I'll say this: like, this year is harder to get through than last year. Last year, okay, I mean, you kind of got immune to the dumps, right? This year it gets painful because nothing happens, right? It's just freaking boring as shit. This is when most people just give up and quit, right? And money's never going to come back into the market again. That's what they're saying in 2020, right? And then money comes back in. So this is the year where you just got to kind of wait it out. It's going to be boring as shit. There's going to be boring times. Like, the last 2 months have been pretty boring, to be honest. Not much has happened. Like I said, thank you, Pepe, for doing something and making the market at least a little bit exciting. Because I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. If Pepe wasn't pumping right now and everything else was the same, I have no idea what we would talk about. Like, I have zero clue what we would talk about right now. Because I'm not just going to go through the weekly chart and explain why I think Bitcoin's going to go to the 40Ks every stream. Eventually that just kind of gets monotonous. So thank you, Pepe. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. How are we as far as the 4-year cycle goes? We are, well, as far as the 4-year cycle goes, that's a good question, Mr. Mario. That's a good question, man. Appreciate the super chat, though, Mr. Mario, and shout out to Shane for being a member for 18 months, man. You're crazy. But as far as the 4-year cycle, hey, if it's going to continue like it always does, I'm just going to go with what Bitcoin's done in the past. I've been looking for Bitcoin to, I don't know what it does in the next few months. Like, I don't know if it's going to pull back to 24K. I don't know if it's just going to pump from here. I have no clue, and no one has any clue right now. That's why the market is in shambles, because no one has any clue what's going to happen short term, But whatever happens, I'm just going to point the arrow up here, because I think we eventually come up here, right? Whenever that happens, at some point this year. And then we're going to get a pullback, and that's probably going to be when, hypothetically, the Fed pivots, right? And that's probably going to mean something bad happens in the market, right? You're going to probably see Bitcoin pull back to the 50 moving average, right? Which is right here right now, but it's going to move up. It'll probably be near 26, 27K at that point. Probably pull back to there, right? which we're probably building a base right now actually for that eventual support later on. And then we go on to the halving into 2024, right? Something like that. That's been my thought process since the lows, is something like this to play out. It's just patience at this point, man. Okay? It's just you getting through these months where nothing happens, which has basically been the last 2 months of basically nothing. You know? Chewy said, I'm not sure y'all don't want to put crypto on your taxes. I've been taking losses for 2 years now. Hey, it's what it is, man. Crypto is all about when you buy. You know, it's all about when you buy, man. Pepe. Oh, we got Wojak. Come on, Wojak. Give me a little something, something, man. All right, guys. Ah, man. It is an interesting day. Chainlink above $7. True. Let's see. Clint said, what's the fear of KYC? Why run to a DEX? In the US, how do you even off-ramp to fiat without a bank knowing who are anyway? Well, Clint, you're setting me up here. Let's see. I mean, what you can basically do is buy whatever you need to do on, I don't know, Coinbase, which you're allowed to do, and then send that to, and then basically send that to whatever decentralized exchange you want to use. You can just send it to freaking DYDX or GMX, trade on there, and then you can send it back to Coinbase, right? In theory. Hoodrich said, I've gone full degen into meme coins. Pepe needs to wake up Asia. You want to wake up Pepe real quick? We can try to do it. We're at the 1618 fib, so this might be a little bit tough area for Pepe, but let's we'll play the Asia song. We'll wake up Pepe. This is probably a good point for me to actually call it tonight, because there really ain't much going on. We got Pepe up, but it's getting a little bit of a pullback here. We'll wake up Asia as I go out tonight. All right, let's wake up Asia, and I'll see you guys at 8:30 tomorrow. For the member stream. I think 30 of you guys won memberships today. You know what I mean? So I'll probably see all you guys at 8:30 tomorrow. If I don't see you in the morning, I'll see you guys at night. It's Friday, which tends to be an interesting day. Fridays are always kind of interesting. We'll see. We'll see if this banking crisis continues, which I don't see any reason why it wouldn't, as many banks fell over like 20% today. Crazy day. Honestly, I think we're witnessing history and we don't even realize it yet. But, it's going to get interesting. I think it's going to continue to get very interesting when it comes to those banks, guys. All right, so I'm out. Catch you guys tomorrow. Baby Pepe is flying. Let's go, Baby Pepe.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
If you're making money in the memes, that's cool. Just make sure you're taking some profits out, right? If you invest some up front and you make a 2-3x, dude, just at least pull your initial out. So then you're like, okay, I didn't, basically I'm riding free at that point, right? So just don't be afraid to take profits on these, because at some point these will just crater down. You were here in 2021. Eventually these will just crater down. Anyways, I'm out of here. Peace out. Catch you guys tomorrow. We'll wake up Asia while I go, because we gotta wake up Asia in a little bit. And catch you guys later. Peace. Let's get a little sushi. Come on, Pepe. Go, Pepe! Spam the frogs. Spam the frogs in the chat. Spam those frogs, baby. Spam those frogs in the chat. Let's go. Let me see the frogs in the chat before we go. Put them in the Put them in the chat. Let me see the frogs. We got no frogs, man. Oh, you guys are late tonight. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
You know I gotta do the fart.